What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, and you guessed it, we're talking about HappyFans, guys. This is the world's first decentralized social platform based on a blockchain for creators and fans. Guys, before we get into it, let me make sure I hit you with my disclaimer, guys. This is not financial advice. Anything I say or do is not financial advice. Please make sure you're doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that being said, guys, let's hop right into it. Okay guys, and HappyFans is yet another IDO that's going to be incubated by Bluezilla and launching on these three launchpads, BSC, KCC, and ETHPad. It will be launching on October 13th, so make sure you are marking your calendar. Guys, later in this video, I am going to be talking about which of these launchpads is the most economical choice based on the number of stakers, based on the market cap, as well as how much you actually need to stake in order to partake and receive an allocation. So stick around for that. Before we do that, let's talk about HappyFans and what this project is. Okay, and for that I have gone over to happyfans.club, which is their official website, and you can see right here it is a subscription-based network based on the blockchain. Think about OnlyFans. I'm sure some of you guys are aware of what OnlyFans is. It is known for adult content, but guys, that's not the only application, guys. Another application would be something like hanging out with, a famous football player, while they're chilling at the pool. And just talking to their fans. So guys, there's multiple applications for this kinds of blockchain-based subscription services, and HappyFans is looking forward to taking advantage of the market. What are some of the advantages and benefits, guys? Instant rewards for content creators, no need for centralized and time waster payment solutions. With our technology, you can pay using every cryptocurrency or the native Happy token. The lowest fees ever, forever. Platform fees are redistributed and burned, guys. That means that there is a deflationary mechanic in the tokenomics of this. We'll touch on that here in a second. Mind-blowing creator referral. Get passive income bringing creators and users to the platform. They're saying that their referral program is for a lifetime, so it's always going to be there. You're always going to get passive income for referring folks, which is awesome. Earn with the NFT marketplace. Just one click to generate an NFT, and our creators can sell it on our marketplace with a 100% targeted audience. This is pretty cool, guys. So essentially, let's just use the adult content example, but someone could take some naughty picture and turn it into an NFT and sell it, and there could only be one of one or however many they choose to create, which is pretty cool. I think it's a really good idea. And some additional features here are 100% anonymous login by NFT. They have an innovative and unique login by NFT with no data stored, which makes users and creators 100% anonymous. Pretty cool. Customizable dashboard. Choose your prices and you can customize everything with just a few clicks. Keep track of your revenue and visitors. Maximize your monthly income. So all in all, guys, they've got some pretty cool advantages and benefits I think that people are going to like, and it's going to give sites like OnlyFans a run for their money. And speaking of money, guys, here are a few ways on how to earn money. And again, you can earn money by referral. So you can also earn money just by holding a deflationary token, which is the Happy token. Guys, the Happy token, again, has a deflationary tokenomic. And at this point, I'm going to get into that. Here are the tokenomics. And just here, I want you to focus on. So basically, every transaction gets taxed. There's going to be a 15% tax that remains on the platform. 2.5 is redistributed to all the holders of Happy. So basically, you're constantly staking your tokens just for holding it. 2.5% is burned to reduce the total supply to eventually 100 million. That's their goal. And then the other 10% goes to the company, and there's no details around what exactly that's going towards. But I'm sure they're going to be using it for something going back in, or that's going to pay back into this project. Right back in here, guys. Other ways to earn money. Earning money by holding kind of goes back into that deflationary tokenomics, but also they are very confident that their platform is going to grow and the creators and fans are going to push the value of the Happy token. And then finally, become happy with a discount price. So if you are a token holder of Happy, you get fee discounts on the platform. Okay, guys, and a platform like HappyFans would not be much without actually having some celebrities on board, and it looks like they already have 5 top influencers that have chosen to be on HappyFans, and those are going to be revealed soon. In addition to that, they also have a few tech partnerships that are also going to be revealed soon. So all in all, I'm looking forward to this, guys. I'm not going to say that this is going to be a 100, 200x project, but there will be a good return on my investment. But keep in mind, guys, this is not another Launchpad. This is not a DEX on a Cardano. This is a social media platform, so we want to make sure that we keep that in mind when we actually invest, and you guys are keeping that in mind before you are making your decision. But talking about decisions, guys, how can we make the best decision in getting into this? And we'll take a look at the platforms or the launch pads that are going to be launching this IDO on the 13th, hopping on right along. So here we are looking at the different launchpads. I've got my launchpad list of all the launchpads I'm involved in here on the left, and then I've got another browser here with the different launchpad that are going to be participating or hosting the launch of HappyFans. So guys, the key here is to figure out how we can get into this as economically as possible, assuming that you have not already staked into any of these launchpads. So guys, first off, unless you are an absolute whale, BSCPad is not going to be your most economical choice for two reasons. One, it's currently at a $93 million market cap, and one token is $1.20. And you're looking here, these are not even guaranteed tiers, so lottery tiers up to 5,000, and then your first guaranteed tier is going to be at 10,000 staked. So at the very lowest tier, 10,000 staked, you're looking at $12,000 just to get into this, not to mention the amount of stakers are 9,316. So the actual allocation you're going to receive is not going to be a very substantial one. I myself am in the diamond tier, and this is my lowest allocation out of all the launchpads of Bluezilla that I'm getting. So unless you can dish out 25,000 or 75,000 tokens worth of money, guys, don't go for BSC pad if you're trying to get into this as economically as possible. Okay guys, and that will leave us with two more options, ETHPad and KCCPad. So let's take a look at my Launchpad list here. I'm going to refresh just to make sure we have updated pricing, and I'm going to sort lowest to highest in terms of market cap just to get a good idea of where we're going to get the biggest bang for our money. So it looks like they're they're both the two lowest out of the pads, but ETHPad here at 11 million and KCCPad at 21 million. So let's take a look at what we need for ETHPad. For ETHPad, to get a guaranteed allocation, we will need 120,000 tokens staked. All right, let me click into ETHPad and calculate that for us. So 120,000 would cost us about $10,000. That's not bad considering that ETHPad has a very low number of stakers as well. All right, so that would be essentially your cost of entry to even get involved into any of these IDOs on ETHPad. Again, there are other options for lottery tiers, but I myself, I like to have a guaranteed allocation knowing that I'm going to be part of that IDO. So there's that. Next, KCCPad. Let's take a look at that. So you can see here 50,000 would be the starting tier. KCCPad currently, let me sort this again. KCCPad currently at 21 million roughly. Alright, so let's just take a look here. If we were to purchase 50,000 worth of KCCPad, look at that, 6,480. You have a pool weight of 10, which is not bad. In addition, look at the amount of people staked, 1649. Guys, my opinion, I think KCCPad would be your biggest bang for your buck if you're trying to get into this IDO, guys. Look at this number of people staked. Look at the cost of entry, right? $6,000. And then if you even wanted to step it up to the middle tier, guys, you're only looking at 12,000. So you're actually getting a pool weight of 22 for the same price that you would have to pay to get a pool weight of 10 here with 9,000 stakers. Okay, so my opinion, guys, KCCPad would be your lowest cost of entry and probably will give you the biggest return on investment in terms of how much of an allocation you're going to receive. Guys, that's it for me. If you like this content, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see or anything I can do better. I'm always open for change. And guys, see you in the next video. I'm out.